Number 16, plants. Heather buys a plant when it's 12 inches tall. It then grows 4 inches per year. Write the inverse function that can be used to find the years given a height. How many years old is a plant when it's 81 inches tall? Well, let's start here with the easiest part. If I want to know the height of the plant, given time, it says the plant starts 12 inches tall, but it grows 4 inches per year. And I'm going to use t as being in years. And it says now write an inverse function. So this is the function for height. Write an inverse that can find the years given the height. So years will be given some height value. So it would be like switching around these values. Years would be a function of height. Now how do we do this? Well, I'll come over here. Now I'm going to work in terms of x's and y's, but I'll say we have y equals 12 plus 4x. So I would solve this by actually switching x and y for an inverse. So 12 plus 4y. So the first step here is I would subtract 12. So I have x minus 12 equals 4y. Last step here is I would divide by 4. Now when you divide, you got to divide everything. Now I don't like leaving it this way, so when I come over here, I'm actually going to convert it and say that first off I'll say h over 4 and then minus 3. I'm just dividing each one individually. And so if you would take the height, divide it by 4, and then subtract 3. This would be your inverse function. So that would find the age of the tree. And if the years confuses you that way, you could say like A for age. The age of the tree would be given this. And for that reason, I probably should come back up here, and I'll change, instead of having t's, we'll just call that an A for age. So the height given a certain age could be found by this equation. Now, how many years old is the plant when it is 81 inches tall? So if I wanted to find the age, I plug it into this equation and say it's 81 inches tall. So the age at 81 inches tall would be 81 divided by 4 minus 3. So if I went over here to calculator, and I'm going to say 81 divided by 4 minus 3. It gives me this fraction. If you don't want a fraction, press Control to enter.
Good afternoon. We have Club 101.
And our answer is 17.25 years old.